This mountain bike park has a mulch pile jump. I've never seen one of these in Australia. And it turns out, it's actually really hard for me to clear, but I'm not going home until I unlock this feature. Ah. That's Annie on the camera. She pretty much lives here, and she's showing the mulch jump who's boss. The best thing about the mulch pile landing is that it adds a bit of cushion to the down ramp, so if you crash, it shouldn't hurt as much. The mulch does work its way down the landing though, but as long as someone keeps shoveling the mulch up the top, it's way safer than a standard hard pack landing. Favourite track, Annie?
In here?
Yeah.
Lucky birdie.
I'm mulched out for a little bit. I'm not leaving till I clear it. Time for a chilled lap down Annie's favourite track. Oh, she's rough. Yeah. Oh, no way. Oh, wrong track. That's so skaty. Yes. Oh, I'm taking the wrong line. Yeah. Phew. Oh. Thanks, dude. Yeah. This jump is roughly 4 meters to the sweet spot, but it's the steep ramp that I'm struggling with. That's Jordan, and he can also clear the mulch jump. Yes, dude. He's going to tow me in so I can get a gauge for speed.
Righto.
Oh! Chase the hell out of it. It just looks so big when you're riding towards it. Oh, it's too steep. Oh, I was close today, yeah? Yeah. Getting picked on here. Oh! Oh! Wait! Oh, that one was super close, but I'm still not happy with it. I just like really loosened my arms up.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, I'm gonna crash soon. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes, I'm not alone.
Ah! Jet, you good?
I think the bike's good.
Good?
I'm gonna go again.
You got it!
I just can't get it. And that's the beauty of the mulch pile. Without it, I would definitely have more injuries than a couple of grazed elbows. Annie's seen enough and she's going home. I need to get comfortable in the air again, so we session a familiar jump line. See, that feels easy. Whoa! Yo! Yeah. I'm feeling way more confident after all that hang time. Surely I can clear it now. Whew.
Drop it.
Oh, come on. I'm overthinking it now. I need a break from the skills park. We decide to mix it up on this rowdy trail called Tipping Point. Yeah. Oh my god. Whoa, that was sketchy. I nearly died. Oh my god. Yo. Oh dude, that was loose.
I might call it a day after this.
Yeah, you're right. Jordan has seen enough now, and he's out of here. I'm going to attempt this mulch jump another 5 times, and if I can't do it, I'm pulling the pin. Thanks, bro.
No stress.
Are you injured or are you all good?
Oh, fuck yeah, I'm all good.
That's a wrap.